Dermablading. And I've talked about this a lot. Actually, this light's quite good. Can you see the peach fuzz? Mostly around my moustache. That's where it's super effective. What I usually use an oil, a very simple oil. This is MV Organics Pure Jojoba. I just pop a bit on. I use whatever Dermablade I've got lying around. I've even been known to use disposable men's razors. Same thing really. Ones are slightly easier to use, but a razor works just as well. You just have to be super careful you don't cut yourself. This is the Flawless one, and it's got a light, so it's a little bit easier. Angle the blade at 45 degrees and short strokes down. So you're not shaving against the hair like men do. You're shaving down and just removing the peach fuzz and the dead skin cells. You can see some of them there. It also serves as a fantastic way to exfoliate your skin. That's a good ASMR video there. Can you hear that? So good. Look at that.